Hi, my name is Mary Kate, and I'm from Furs the Flying Pet Grooming in East Hampton, Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of fleas on your cat. You're going to first want to check the spots that the fleas love to be, which is around their tails. So you're going to want to just pull the hair up and look at the skin, and right around the tails and under her tail. And what you're looking for is little specks. They look like dirt. It's called flea dirt. You're going to want to look for those. And around and under the armpits is where you're going to want to look. And again, you just pull the hair up and make sure you can see the skin. And you're going to want to look at the skin and see. But you don't have fleas, so that's good. And they make flea combs that you just are going to brush her hair or comb her hair. And do it a couple times, just bring it through. And then you're going to want to take the hair out and look at it. And if there's any of the flea dirt, the black specks, that's a pretty good sign that they do have fleas. And a lot of times with these, if they do have fleas, the fleas will just come right up here when you're brushing. So it'll just be like this, and then the flea will be right there. If your cat does have fleas and you want to give her a flea bath, you have to make sure that the flea stuff is made for dogs and cats. Because if it's just made for dogs, it can be very poisonous to a cat. There's all different kinds of flea shampoo. It's very important just to make sure that it's for cats also. All flea shampoos are different. Some of them say that you have to leave it on for 10 minutes. Some of them say you have to leave it on for 5 minutes. So what you're going to do is wet the cat and then put the shampoo on and make sure you get it all the way down to her skin, and avoiding her head though. And you just want to rub it in really good and get a really good lather on her. And then you have to let, like this one, it says to let sit for 5 minutes, so that way it will kill all the fleas on her. And then you let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it. You have to rinse it completely off, because they do have, some shampoos have pesticides in them. So you have to make sure you rinse it all off, otherwise it can burn their skin very badly. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at about.com.